Scene script. Have you ever wondered how to start investing? How to turn your hard-earned money into a wealth-building tool? We've all heard about investing, but what is it really? Let's break it down. Investing is the act of allocating resources, typically money, with the expectation of generating a profit or income. It's a key practice that can help you build wealth over time, and it's not just for the rich. Regardless of the size of your bank account, investing can be a viable option for you. Many people think of investing as a high-stakes poker game where you're risking it all for the chance of a big payout. But that's not the case. Sure, there's risk involved, but investing is more about strategy and patience than luck. Consider it like planting a seed. It might not seem like much at first, but given time and the right conditions, that seed can grow into a mighty tree. Investing is not gambling, it's about making calculated decisions to grow your wealth over time. To understand how to invest, you need to grasp some basic concepts. First, let's talk about risk and return. In the world of investing, risk refers to the potential of losing your money, while return is the profit you make. The general rule is, the higher the risk, the higher the potential return. Next, diversification. This is a strategy that involves spreading your investments across different types of assets to minimize risk. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. Now, on to compound interest. This is your best friend in investing. It's the process where your interest earns interest, causing your wealth to grow exponentially over time. Lastly, let's touch on the types of investments. Stocks represent ownership in a company. Bonds are essentially loans you give to companies or governments. Mutual funds are a collection of stocks, bonds, and other assets managed by professionals. Remember, the key to successful investing is understanding what you're investing in. Now that you understand the basics, you might be wondering how to actually start investing. Well, you're in the right place. Let's begin with setting financial goals. Do you need short-term gains for a new car, or are you planning for retirement? These questions will dictate your investment strategy. Next, you'll need to choose an investment account. Many beginners start with a brokerage account, which gives you direct access to the stock market. Alternatively, retirement accounts like 401(k)s or IRAs offer tax advantages. Now comes the exciting part, selecting the right investments. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate are all options. If you're new to investing, you might want to consider index funds. These are a type of mutual fund that aim to match the performance of a specific market index. They're a great way to diversify your portfolio and reduce risk. Starting to invest might seem intimidating, but once you take that first step, the journey becomes much easier. Before we wrap up, here are some important points to remember about investing. The journey to financial freedom is not a race, but a step-by-step process. One of the best ways to build wealth is to start investing early. The power of compound interest will be your greatest ally in this endeavor, turning small, regular investments into a substantial nest egg over time. Consistency, too, is key. Make investing a regular habit, just like paying your bills. This approach, known as dollar-cost averaging, can help smooth out the highs and lows of the market. Additionally, remember that investing is not about chasing the next big thing, or letting your emotions rule your decisions. Instead, it's about making informed choices based on research and sticking to your investment plan, even when the market gets bumpy. In short, patience and discipline are the hallmarks of a successful investor. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. So take your time, learn the ropes, and watch your wealth grow.